Ever wished you could hit the undo button on a TikTok story? Good news, deleting your TikTok story is a straightforward process. Begin by ensuring you're logged into your TikTok account once on the main feed. Locate your profile picture positioned in the top left area of the screen. A small red circle with a plus sign on your profile picture indicates your active story. Tap on your profile picture to access and view your currently active story. This action will display the content you've recently shared. Navigate to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll find a menu icon, typically represented by 3 white dots. Select this icon to reveal your available options. A menu will appear with several choices. Find and tap on the delete option, which is usually positioned at the bottom of the list. A confirmation message will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to delete this story?" This is your final opportunity to cancel. Confirm your decision by tapping the delete button once more. And there you have it. Your TikTok story has been deleted before its 24-hour expiry. You've successfully removed your content, giving you the power to manage your profile effortlessly. Post with peace of mind, knowing you can always make a quick edit or removal.